dyan! Ay! Sino ang magpupuno sa aking paglalamig? Hindi talaga ako sanay na may makeup artist.
Kailangan yan. Siyempre, pag sumisikat ka na, kailangan mo ano yung mga celebrity moment din. Kahit na may mahal ka ng iba, ba't baliw na baliw ako sa'yo?
We made it! Okay, it's time for rehearsal. Woo! Kasi ito na vlog again! Nakita na naman tayo! Uy, mayroon tayong dressing room, te!
First one! Performer! Magalita kayo.
JR. Oh, perfect. Next up, Leandro. One more hour before showtime! Hoy, may nag-request na kasama sa vlog. Hey, kuya! Oh, picture mo na.
Hello, baby! Ako po si Liana from Pennsylvania! Are you ready to party?
Leandro! I love you!
Hey! Oh my God! She's gonna kill it! Ah! Kuya, kasakita ka dyan! Ay! Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like...
Leandro, come on guys, you nailed it tonight.
Yes! Salamat po!
You did a good job.
Salamat.
Leandro, we love you. Oh my God, you're awesome. Kami naganda.
We want you back in Virginia, DMV.
Shake, shake, bro! I love you po! May solo cassette ka na naman! Palagi na naman siya, may solo shot! Hindi ko yata kaya kung sa buhay ko'y wala ka. Ani ng pag-ibig, puso ay nag-iisa. Sino aking hahanapin? Sino aking hahanapin? Sino ang magbubulong sa aking paglalamig? Obesa! Thank you, kuya! Thank you pa, kuya! We did it! Ano sasabi mo, Ate Joy?
Oh my God, thanks to our fans. That's your. We're done here in Virginia.
We'll see you in Sex Bomb
October
Girls!
1st.
Woo! guys so much for watching. We love you, we love you, we love you, we love you.